Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Abis. I am going to tell you about a new floor token that will function like a rail. Today, I'll explain Money Heist new token 2021. To view the more video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Website link in description. Let's start video. The name of this token is Money Heist. Ever fantasized about robbing a bank? With $MHT, you will get a chance every week. Rob the bank. Every week, a heist will take place. The bank vault will contain 1% of the total volume transacted. 8 randomly selected holders will be for the heist and will split the loot. To be eligible, you must be a diamond hand, fulfilling 2 conditions. You must be holding since at least 5 days. You must not have sold in the last 5 days. 4 of the holders will be selected from the top 100 holder. Impact marketing. The goal is to make sure that $MHT is visible to everyone active in the BSC space. In order to do that, we will be continuously pushing out marketing activities. To succeed, we will need the support of the community. We will be using tools such as DEX trending press releases, PooCoin marketing, YouTube marketing, Twitter marketing, Telegram marketing, coin marketing cap trending, NFT collection. Within 2 weeks of launch, an NFT collection centered around the Money Heist theme will be released. Every NFT will have a set of traits such as gender, body type, skin color, hairstyle, facial hair, glasses, weapons, background. Different traits will cause the NFT to be more unique and rare. P2E game. In Q1 2022, the project plans to deliver a play-to-earn game centered around the theme of robbing cryptocurrencies. An integration with the NFT is planned. ETH Bridge. In Q2 2022, the project plans to deliver an ETH bridge connecting directly to your wallet for fast, cheap, and secure transfers of assets to and from the BSC and Ethereum networks, allowing you to convert your assets, ERC20, ERC711, ERC1155, with 100% proof of value. Tokenomics. Token. Name, Money Heist. Simple, $MHT decimals. 18, address, 0x71A0AXC, 1F92B942, AC1A5E7FD297429495838345. Taxation. 5% marketing, 3% liquidity, 2% buyback, 1% bank vault. Initial allocation. Max supply, 1,000 billion, 1 trillion. Private sale, 10%. Presale, 53%. Liquidity, 37%. Audit. The contract has been audited by Interfi Network. Roadmap. Phase 2. Press release submissions. PooCoin marketing. YouTube marketing. NFT design iteration. Stage 1 exchange application. Phase 3. CoinGecko application. Press releases publish. NFT collection release. Twitter trending. Coin marketing cap trending. DEX trending PooCoin marketing. Piggyback on season launch. 3rd day. Phase 4. Stage 1 exchange listing. Stage 2 exchange application. P2E game development. ETH bridge development. Ongoing marketing. Legal disclaimer. None of the information on this website should be construed as providing legal or financial advice. Please note, there are always risks associated with smart contracts. Please use at your own risk. Money Heist token is not a registered broker, analyst, or investment advisor. If you have purchased $MHT, you agree that you are not purchasing a security or investment. The Money Heist token team cannot be held liable for any losses or taxes you may incur. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. I changed BNB into BTCB. Thanks for watching. My next video is coming soon.